I'm pretty new to the 1/64th scale hobby. I love the cars, but I really love anything that can transport the cars. Let's customize this thing.